In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make rows or columns bigger in Google Sheets. If your data looks cramped or cut off, a quick resize will make everything easier to read and present. Let's walk through it together, step by step. Start by opening Google Sheets in your browser and loading the spreadsheet you want to edit. Make sure you have edit access. If the file is view only, you won't be able to change sizes until you're granted permission. Next, select the columns you want to resize. Click the letter at the top of a column to highlight it. To select more than one, click and drag across additional letters, or hold Shift and click the last column in your range. Need to pick non-adjacent columns? Hold Control on Windows or Command on a Mac while clicking each header. Selecting first is important because any change you make will apply to all highlighted columns at once, keeping your layout consistent. If you want to resize everything in the sheet, you can select the whole thing by clicking the small rectangle at the intersection of the row numbers and column letters in the top left corner. Now, move your mouse to the line between any two column headers you've selected. Hover right on that boundary until your cursor changes into a left-right double arrow. That icon confirms you're in the exact spot needed to resize. Click and hold, then drag the boundary to the right to make the columns wider. As you drag, Sheets may show a small tooltip with the width in pixels, which can be handy if you're matching a specific size. Release the mouse when your longest entries fit comfortably without clipping. If it's too wide or too narrow, just drag again. And remember, Control or Command plus Z will undo the last change instantly. When multiple columns are selected, dragging one boundary sets all selected columns to the same width, which is perfect for clean, uniform layouts. The same approach works for rows. Select the row numbers on the left, hover over the line between two row headers until you see the up-down double arrow, then click and drag downward to make the rows taller. A few quick tips as you fine-tune. Zoom in if it's hard to grab the boundary line. Resizing changes only the available space, not the font size or formatting. And if text is still clipped, consider enabling text wrapping from the toolbar to display longer entries neatly. And that's it. You've resized your columns, and you know how to do the same for rows.